Today we're installing Windows 11 in VMware from scratch, starting with the official ISO and finishing with VMware Tools. Let's go. Open your browser and search Windows 11 ISO. Click Microsoft's official download page. Scroll to download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Pick your language. I'm choosing English, United States. Click 64-bit download. The link is valid for 24 hours, so I'm downloading it now. Once the ISO finishes, we're ready for the VM. Open VMware and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical and hit Next. Select Installer Disk Image File, ISO. Browse to the Windows 11 ISO and click Next. Set the operating system to Microsoft Windows and choose Windows 11 x64. Click Next. Name the VM. I'll call this Windows 11 Test and choose where to store it. Next. Windows 11 needs a TPM, so we'll enable encryption. Choose only encrypt files needed to support a TPM. Set a strong password and continue. For storage, you can use a single file or split into multiple files. I'll keep multiple files and leave the default size. Next, click Customize Hardware and give the VM a little more power. Bump memory from 4 GB to 8 GB. Close the dialog, then click Finish. Power on the VM. Click inside the VM window so it captures your keyboard. When you see press any key to boot from CD or DVD, you've got about 3 seconds. Press any key immediately. If you miss it, send Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to the guest to try again. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Insert on your keyboard or use VM. Send Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. You'll see the prompt again. Press any key and Windows Setup will start loading. Choose your region and keyboard, then click Next. And install now. If you don't have a license key for this lab, click I don't have a product key. Select Windows 11 Pro and continue. Accept the license terms. Select the new virtual drive we created and click Next. Windows will copy files and reboot a few times. Sit tight. Pick your region, United Kingdom for me, and confirm your keyboard. If Windows checks for updates now, let it run. Sometimes you'll do this after the desktop loads. Name your device. I'll call it Admin. If you want an offline account, here's how. Press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type start ms-cxh localonly and press Enter. Create your local user, set security questions, and continue. That's it. We've bypassed the online sign-in and finished setup. Back in VMware, go to the menu and click VM. Install VMware Tools. Inside Windows, run the installer. Choose Complete and reboot. VMware Tools improves graphics and mouse performance, enables clipboard and drag and drop, dynamic screen resizing, and better drivers. Windows 11 is now fully set up in VMware with a TPM, a clean local account, and VMware Tools. If this helped, like the video and follow CyberEd for tips and tricks.